After India Today's expose about Hafiz Saeed's locations, shelter, support by Pakistan, his security has been tightened, and I have to add here, not just security tightened, but at least 4 times of the usual security. Day after India Today exclusively traced what is the hideout of the Lashkar-e-Taiba chief, we found out via satellite images, via video footage, a double authentication in many ways before we brought you that report. Security of Lashkar Chief Hafiz Saeed has now been increased 4 times. They fear, what if he's caught? Remember the biggest mastermind of terror attacks that have happened in India, in the Kashmir Valley, in all of J&K over the past few years? The man on your screen. It is his proxy outfit of the Lashkar-e-Taiba, the TRF, that Pakistan government boasted about and said, we got the TRF name removed from the UNSC statement. That's the acknowledgement of support. Hafiz Saeed's hideout in Pakistan, remember, when what we have mentioned to you in Lahore, is being monitored now by Pakistan agency drones. Armed forces personnel have been deployed. The road heading to the hideout has been equipped with CCTV because they don't want such a significant personality of Pakistan to be harmed in any way. Extra cover by Pakistan Army and of course ISI and Lashkar. So that's the news coming in right now on your screen. Remember, India Today had brought you multiple evidence to suggest that building on your screen is Hafiz Saeed's hideout. How did we pull that off? We tracked satellite images. We got access to mobile footage. So in many ways, a reminder and a double verification. In fact, I would add multiple layers of verification that our investigating team did. Instructions have been given by Pakistan military, according to our sources, not for Hafiz Saeed move anywhere, to stay put. There are CCTVs, there is additional security, as you can see, around Hafiz Saeed, and multiple security by Army, ISI, Lashkar to ensure, just in case, nobody should be able to harm this all too important figure. And wonder what contribution this man is making to Pakistan's development and progress, that so much funding, money is being put to his use. Technically, Pakistan should have come forth with India to ensure that he's not only behind bars but faces prosecution, punishment and more. But as you can clearly understand, Pakistan, when it says we want to support the fight against terror, who is really being pampered and sheltered by the country? That's an exclusive news coming in on your screens. Remember, barely 24 hours after, India Today's Ankit Kumar broke the news about how they have been able to find out the hideout of Hafiz Saeed, the residence in Lahore, and the details that came with him. Now the road has been equipped with CCTV. Multiple layer security has been added by the Pakistan military, ISI and more. Look at that image on your screen. That's the satellite image. The main residence that we have marked it for you. And then we have that same residence on mobile footage too. Otherwise, remember, usual simple looking house. But this is where the mastermind of terror attacks, one of the prominent terrorists of the world, Hafiz Saeed of Lashkar-e-Taiba, is currently residing and is allowed to reside with additional security so that no harm can come to this man. In the past few years, remember, multiple terror attacks that have happened. If Lashkar-e-Taiba hasn't directly taken responsibility for it, their proxy outfits like the TRF have claimed responsibility. Arvind Oja sends us this ground report.
पहलगाम में आतंकी हमले के बाद पाकिस्तान में आतंकी हाफिज सईद की सुरक्षा 4 गुना बढ़ा दी है। कल आज तक ने बड़ा खुलासा करते हुए लश्कर-ए-तोयबा चीफ हाफिज सईद के ठिकाने का खुलासा किया था। आज तक ने दिखाया था कि कैसे पाकिस्तान के लाहौर में जौहर टाउन इलाके में हाफिज सईद का घर है और उस घर की सुरक्षा पाकिस्तान आर्मी और लश्कर-ए-तोयबा के आतंकी करते हैं। आज तक के खुलासे के बाद पाकिस्तान में हड़कंप मचा हुआ है। हमने दिखाया था कि कैसे जौहर टाउन में हाफिज सईद का घर है और घर के ठीक बगल में मदरसा है, जहां से हाफिज सईद लश्कर के आतंकियों को तकरीर करता है, ट्रेनिंग देता है। अब भारतीय खुफिया एजेंसियों ने आज तक को बताया है कि हाफिज सईद की न सिर्फ सुरक्षा बढ़ाई गई है, बल्कि उसके बेटे तलहा सईद और उसके रिश्तेदारों की भी सुरक्षा बढ़ाई गई है। आज तक ने जो ठिकाना दिखाया था वो हाई सिक्योरिटी जोन है। सूत्रों के मुताबिक अब उस इलाके में ड्रोन के जरिए भी निगरानी रखी जा रही है। एक्स्ट्रा सीसीटीवी फुटेज वहां पर लगा दिए गए हैं। हाफिज सईद को डर है कि कहीं भारतीय एजेंसियां उसे निशाना न बना लें। कैमरामैन अजय ठाकुर के साथ अरविंद ओझा, पहलगाम।
So this is where the effort and resources of Pakistan is going right now.